Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing you a very different drop compared to the normal ones that I typically go for. These are more so the ones that I go for like sporadically. I'll be like, I'll try for that because I like that. I end up not hitting, so I just leave it be and don't do anything of this nature in relation to it. So today is going to be the BAPE Croc release. Yeah, I don't own a pair of Crocs at all. I've bought pairs for family members and such. You know, I've bought so many over the years. Actually, it's kind of ridiculous. From like Salah Bembury to like Justin Bieber to just anything in between. So, but I've never been able to hit a pair for myself. I've always won raffles or things for them. I've tried for so many. I even tried for like the SpongeBob ones for myself because I thought they're funny, they're a bit unique. Didn't get them. So yeah, today is Croc. Now with Croc today and the BAPE, or today's BAPE. With this, I want two pairs. One for my brother, one for myself. Will I even get one pair? We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, let's get straight into this. I need to actually record on my phone, but yeah. Let's just jump straight into this. So I'm obviously on the same webpage as my computer as I am on my phone. And with that, basically it is so that I can open the app like that. It will open straight out onto the app. I also have my emails open because they're supposedly meant to be sending emails when these do go live. I would love to know when that point in time is. You know what I mean? Because there's been nothing so far. In America, it was 9 a.m. So, you know, like I can search BAPE. It did come up. All that comes up now is Bayern Munich. So, don't know about that one. But yeah, it could be the fact that they don't drop at 9. They drop at 10, 11, you know, some annoying, irritating time frame. But yeah, if I open this up, yeah, it takes us to this, which is like the load page type thing for it in the end. So I can just keep scrolling out and back, and yeah, I would have thought 9 o'clock, you know, would have been drop time. That takes me to shopping cart, opening link from my emails from them. Oh, it just takes me straight to shopping cart. So I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what time, I don't know anything. If it's 11 o'clock, it's going to be really irritating because I was ready at 8 and nothing happened then because in America people said it was 8 and then I've waited, you know, for 9. If it's 10, 11, it's just going to be like, really? And we have to come back and like, I don't know. We'll have to see. It doesn't feel like it's going to be 9, and I don't know. No one's got like the times anywhere. Not even Croc have the time like for them. So I don't really have a clue. They say app exclusive coming soon on the app. So oh dear, this is something else, isn't it? Well, I've got no idea. I've just searched everywhere, and it just like the US drop was yesterday, but this 100% said for the UK that it's the 13th. It's not the 12th, it's the 13th. The BAPE website drop was last week. I know that, but this is today. This is today. At what time? Don't know, because I would have expected it to be the same as the US, 9 a.m. Nice and easy. But I feel like I'm going to have to sit at like 10, 11. And lose my mind, and then it's going to be the type of thing, well, no, actually we did drop them yesterday. It's like, no, definitely not. I tried to add to cart yesterday, that did not work. If they dropped them yesterday at 9 when it was say waitlist, anyway, let me know if you're able to get a pair. I suppose whether that's from BAPE or Croc, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna have to sit here, aren't I? It's gonna be a real waste of like 2 hours, isn't it? This is terrible. Anyway, I'll be back, I suppose, or not. I might be back with the news that I failed. So, you know. Well, we're back, and I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. I suppose at the end of the day, I'm not expecting much. So supposedly it should be at 5 to 11, 10:55 is when it should be available. Should be. Don't trust it, but it should be. So we'll have to see whether it's that or whether it's another short wait duration and then probably an hour. So the app's kind of Things are kind of being a bit slow now. I'm not gonna lie, whether or not that's because people have said that, you know, it's dropping and such, and it's, yeah, the website is absolutely ruined right now. Oh my god, it is absolutely destroyed. This is definitely being killed. So there have been no emails, no updates, nothing. I'm just continually trying to go from the website onto the app, of which is now extremely slow, but it doesn't open to anything, obviously. And when you search BAPE, you don't, oh no, you do get Bayern Munich now, but you don't get anything else, unfortunately. So yeah, we're just going to have to wait and see. It's probably going to be another couple minutes. Right, it's 11 o'clock, so let's see what happens with this. It's cooked. That's what's happening with this. No emails come through either, which is very surprising, because it's like they asked you to sign up to like a wait list for it, to be emailed as to when, you know, the item's available and what's available and such, and there has been nothing. God, I hate app related drops. I really do. This is cooked. Well, this drop is amazing. I wish that they'd just done a raffle, to be honest, like EQL, whatever it is. Just do that, because this sucks in comparison. Like it's tragic. It really is. Yeah, the drop is cooked. I'll keep trying, you know, but yeah. Oh, they're in. Come on. Work with me. Secure checkout is blank. Love it. Not working. Good. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I've got them both in cart. Both what I'm after. For my brother and myself. And it's so broken. Please. No, my cart is not empty. That's cap. This is fun. I'm having a fun time. I'm having a wonderful time. Why does it do that though? Like, you don't need to do that. It's right there. Like, it's right there. Just let me check out. I wish I could check out. I really wish I could. No, heavy traffic. Bro, how can you experience a heavy traffic, like, image on an app? I've never seen that before. To be told there is heavy traffic on an actual app is insane. Like, that's crazy. At checkout. I think this is basically going to cover it. I'm going to keep sitting here and trying, but there's not really going to be any progress, unfortunately, because the app is just ruined at the end of the day. So basically, let me know down below whether you took a W or L, whether that was from the US drop, the Asia drop, whether that was from the BAPE website itself, or maybe you did hit on the Croc app. Terrible, awful. Like, I'd prefer Adidas confirmed over this. So, but yeah, that is going to cover it from me. So if you'd like to, you can click on a prior video, but other than that, I'm going to sit here for probably the next half an hour wasting my time attempting to go for this and hitting absolutely nothing. So yeah, that's going to cover it from me. So I do hope that you have a good rest of your day. I won't. And I will see you all next time. Peace.